different sounds. Now this book is in German, but I'm going to tell you the sounds in English, of course. Okay? It's a cow. What sound does a cow make? Moo, moo. Look at the little gray mouse. And cows, platch. Ooh, ooh, what do? They do what cows do, and the little mouse runs away. It's a sheep. What sound does a sheep make? Ba, ba. And what do sheep do? They like to eat grass. A dog with a red balloon. And here comes a mosquito. Bzzz. Dogs go ruff, ruff, ruff. And the balloon pops and the dog is afraid and runs away. It's a green frog. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. And a frog. Oh. Frogs actually like the rain. They like water. And the rain goes pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter, pitter, patter. It's a rooster. And in English, roosters go cock-a-doodle-doo, cock-a-doodle-doo. And roosters like to eat seeds. Pick, 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 pick. It's a chicken. And chickens in English say, what do they say? Bawk, 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 bawk. And chickens lay eggs. It's an egg. Do eggs say anything? No. Eggs can't talk, right? But they can crack open and out comes a little chick. And the chick says, beep, 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 beep. It's a cat. Cats say, meow, meow, meow. And cats like to play with wool. Oh, two fish. Can fish talk? No. Bloop, 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 maybe because of the air bubbles. But they can kiss with a heart. An elephant. What does elephant say in English? Oh, I don't know. I don't know what an elephant says in English. I don't know. They blow their trunk. I know this is in German what they say. I don't know what they say in English, an elephant. I don't know. I'll have to look. But elephants, people say they're afraid of a mouse. Look, a little mouse and a big elephant. I wonder if elephants really are afraid of mice. And this is a woodpecker. Woodpeckers go knock, knock, knock. Anybody home? Hello. A snake. And snake, look, his tongue. And with the tongue, the snakes smell. They smell with their tongue, not with their nose. And the snake ties himself in a knot. Funny, huh? In a knot. A bee, bzzz, going to the flower. And then the bee sneezes. Achoo! Achoo! Maybe he has allergies. A horse. And a horse goes, eh, eh. And the horse runs away with the mouse on his back. A monkey. Ooh, 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 says a monkey. And uh-oh. And the other monkey says, ooh, it stinks. Because look what happened. A pig. Oink, 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 says the pink pig. And the pig likes to play in the water. Yeah, pigs like they cool themselves off in mud. And a duck. Whack, 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 whack. Oh, the duck puts his head in the water. And a goat. Meh. Meh, says the goat, and jumps over the fence. And what's this? You only see two big eyes. And the eyes say, ooh, 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 ooh. Right, it's an owl. The owl turns on the light. And then they're all in the bed and they say, shh, time to go to sleep. And there's the cat and the mouse and the frog and the owl and the elephant and even the bee and the snake, all going to sleep. Good night. The sounds that the animals make. Bye-bye.